Good day, everyone. This is Hannah Vase Dinuda from 1BSCE C1-1. So our lesson for today is all about transportation engineering. Our lesson objectives: after this module, the student would be able to know the first, the definition of transportation engineering. Second, the importance of transportation engineering. Our lesson includes definition of transportation engineering, which answers the question, what is transportation engineering? Second, role of transportation engineering. It answers the question, what is the important part of transportation engineering in our life? Third, importance of transportation engineering, which answers the question, what is the great significance of transportation engineering? Fourth, types of transportation engineering. What are the different types of transportation engineering? And last but not the least, objective of transportation of traffic engineering, which answers the question, what is traffic engineering and its objective? So the definition of transportation engineering will be discussed to you by my group mate, Cedric.
Mm. Good day, everyone. Definition of transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering that is involved in the planning, design, operation, and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation systems. This system includes roadways, railways, and intermodal operations. Typically, the amount of traffic, people, cars, rail cars, barge that is expected to use a particular transportation facility. While the supply is the quantity and the type infrastructure component, roadways, bridge, pavement, and etc. These systems are typically large and expensive. Yung next yan. Role of transportation engineering is the application of technology and scientific principles to design, operation, planning, and management of the transportation infrastructure, mobility, service, traffic, and travelers for various travel mode in order to provide for the safe, efficient, rapid, comfortable, convenient, economical, and environmentally sustainable movement of people and goods. Next.
So the importance of transportation engineering will be discussed to us by Renz Oliveros.
Hello, good morning everyone. By the way, this is Renz Oliver Pagiligan and I will be reporting about the importance of transportation. So, importance of transportation, gaano ba ka-importante ang transportation? So here it is. The importance of a transportation of a country is comparable to the veins in the human body. So, ganun po siya ka-importante yung ating transportation, like veins. Example natin, wala tayong veins sa kamay. So, walang magtra-transport ng blood. So, pag walang magtra-transport ng blood, hindi rin magpa-function ng ating kamay. So, ganyan po siya. So, tulad po nito, just the veins helps to the health of a human. Similarly, the transportation keep the health of a nation in good condition by keeping the people and materials moving from one place to another place. Ganun po siya, ka-importante. So, here are the sample importance of transportation. Number one, they play an important role in the economic, social, and commercial development of the country. Example sa economic po ay food transport. Sa social, like sa events, parties, kailangan po talaga natin ng transportation para makapunta tayo doon sa mga events. Hindi naman natin pwedeng lakarin lang kung malayo, di ba? Kung malapit, pwede naman. And commercial, transport din ng mga materials. Number two, they help in cultural development of the country. Example, magpo-promote po tayo ng mga uh, about sa culture natin. Example, yung kay Wangod sa Benguet. Ganun siya kalayo. Kailangan din natin ng transport doon, papunta doon. Number three, they help in political development of the country. Yan, example, like our president, senators. Hindi naman sila pwedeng maglakad lang papuntang, example, sa Malacanang. Yan, kailangan din natin ng transportation doon. Number four, it plays a vital role in the development of rural areas of the country. And mga same lang po, transport lang din po siya. Number 5, they improve the employment opportunities. Like, example, punta ka ng yan, sa employment or example sa mga central business district natin, kailangan dito ng transportation dyan. Lalong-lalo na yung example sa Metro Manila, we need ng or importante yung like yung train dahil so, super ano na doon, super traffic na doon. Number 6, it improves the contact between two countries. Yan, lalo po yan. Example, kasi yung mga naghahati sa atin, ng mga countries is malalaking dagat o ocean. Hindi naman natin pwedeng languyin lang papuntang countries para, ano, example, nagta-transport tayo or nag-import, export ng mga goods natin punta sa ibang countries. So, transportation po talaga ang importante. Number 7, it improves the living standard of the country. And lastly, number 8, it helps to improve science and technology. So, yun nga po, every year na lumilipas, paganda po ng paganda yung ating science sa yung technology. So, example, kahit yung mga transportation natin, or example, mga vehicles, ay nag-i-improve din bawat every year. Yun po. And next po. Types of transportation engineering. So sa types po of transportation engineering, we have railway engineering, port and harbor engineering, and airport engineering. So for the railway engineering, trains might seem quite and old-fashioned to some, but railway systems are anything but. Ayun nga po, sa iba, iniisip po nila yung trains ay medyo old school na kumbaga, pero alam naman po natin na yung mga train po nito, lalo sa mga example, sa Japan, mga from cities to province, kailangan po natin yung mga bullet train para mapunta tayo sa ating bahay or sa province ng mabilis. Hindi pwedeng airplane or vehicles na malayo. And example, sa Metro Manila, napaka-importante po ng train natin. Kasi super traffic na po doon. Kaya kung mag-bus ka or vehicle, super traffic na. Abot pa ng 1 to 2 hours. Like example, galing kang Makati, papuntang Novaliches. Ganun po siya ka-traffic. So kung yung mga tren naman, like minutes lang, makapunta ka sa station na mas malapit doon. Commercial railway businesses require advanced technical and operational systems to carry passengers across the country or through densely populated metro areas. Next, they also rely on these advanced systems to transport goods and freight across great distances. Ayun nga po, from distance to distance. Example, from North EDSA to Makati, let's say ganyan po, pwede mo siyang makuha ng mga 30 to 45 minutes na sa isang sakayin lang sa tren. Pero kung example, nag-try ka ng vehicle tapos rush hour, ayun, tatagal ka talaga ng 1 to 2 hours or pwede pang mas example, 3 hours or sobra pa kung grabe ka yung traffic. So, railway engineers, not to be confused with the engineers who pilot trains, must know how to plan routes and understand the complexities of busy modern rail travel. So, etong mga railway engineers, kumbaga mas alam nila kung saan natin nilalagay yung trains or ano yung mga ruta nito para sa example kung saan mas yung mga tao. Example, sa Cubao, yan, kailangan ng station dyan sa gitna ng Cubao, sa gitna ng Ortigas, sa gitna ng Makati, kasi yan yung ating mga central business district. Unlike sa mga malalapit lang doon or example, may mga may-ari ng kumpanya, malalapit na sila doon. Unlike naman sa mga employees lang, example, from Cubao, then yung work mo is from ay sa Makati, kailangan mo talaga ng example, train para mas mapadali ang iyong biyahe. Ayan. So next natin is Port and Harbor Engineering. Okay, ito rin po yung isa po sa pinaka-importante sa atin, katulad ng pag-connect po sa countries. Example, shipping, commercial fishing, passenger cruises, and private sailing all require docks and harbors from which to sail and deliver goods and passengers. Yan ay kailangan talaga natin ng docks and harbors. Hindi naman pwedeng yung ating pagdadaungan ay lupa lang. So, hindi siya kaaya-ayang tignan. Tsaka, mas maganda talaga yung may mga docks na tayo. Yung sa pagdadaungan ng mga goods and mga pasahero. Engineers specializing in ports and harbors plan, design, and oversee the building of wharves, docks, piers, berthing facilities, marinas, bulkheads, and seawalls. Port and harbor engineers also design, build, and maintain boat launch facilities and coastal access areas and provide inspection and survey services for seaway transportation companies. So, ayun po, ang mga engineers po ay nagde-design sila and nagbi-build din ng mga magagandang facilities like ng mga docks. Kasi syempre, parang ito rin po yung pag example, galing po sa ibang countries papunta sa Pilipinas, edi syempre mas maganda po yung ating daungan, mas gaganda yung sa tingin nila yung or mas babango yung pangalan ng Pilipinas and kailangan din ng safety para sa ating pagdaong paggaling sa mga barko. Ayan, and coastal access areas. Inspections, service. So, ayun lang po. Importante po talaga ang ating transport or transportation. And ayun. Thank you.
Airport engineering. Airport engineers design, build, maintain, and develop construction standards for such as commercial, private military and civilian airports, heliports and helipads, and seaplane bases. They must adhere to federal laws concerning materials, security, lighting, markings, and signs. They also must take into account any wildlife dangers such as birds that could interfere with departing of or arriving flights and stay abreast of evolving technologies related to air traffic. Yung airport engineering, sila yung didesign, yung nagme-maintenance, tapos yung nagde-develop. And meron din silang mga private military and civilian military for safety. And also, airport engineering includes standards for airfield, pavement marking signs, and other visual aids for safety during construction. Surveying and GIS data, dicing and other facilities, and last foreign object detection system.
Again, good day everyone. This is again Hannah Christine Yuda. I'm about to discuss traffic engineering. So ano nga ba yung traffic engineering at ano yung objectives nito? So pag-aralan natin kung ano yung common objectives of traffic engineering. The first objective is to provide high-efficient traffic flow through ample research and innovative design efforts. So ibig sabihin, yung mga traffic engineering, hindi lang sila basta tinitingnan kung ano yung nagiging flow ng traffic, kundi sila mismo, marami silang studies na ginagawa para mapaunti yung traffic na nangyayari dito sa atin, lalo na sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na dyan sa parting Manila na sobrang dami talaga ng traffic. So, yung second objective nila is to produce free flow of traffic. So, as I've said earlier, na yung mga traffic engineering, sila yung may kinalaman kung bakit nagkakaroon ng kung bakit nagiging maayos yung daloy ng trapiko. Hindi man ganun na nawawala yung yung maraming traffic, pero at least umaayos. So, ang third objective nila is to use research to design roadways and highways that increase traffic safety. So, sinabi dito na yung mga traffic engineering, sila yung may kinalaman kung bakit meron tayong mga nakikita natin yung mga traffic signs, yung mga traffic lights, at kung ano-ano pang mga bagay na nakikita natin along the highway. Yung mga traffic engineering, sila yung may kinalaman kasi nag-ano sila, sabi dito, nagre-research sila. So, sabi dito, usually, to successfully implement the above-mentioned objectives, traffic engineers will be required to study an abundance of data, research, and literature on the characteristic of traffic. The, they are required to study the accident studies. Ito, sila yung may kinalaman or sila yung nag-aaral kung bakit nagkakaroon ng isang aksidente sa isang lugar or sa isang highway. And they also study about the traffic capacity. Ito yung traffic capacity, ibig sabihin nito, yung kung gaano kadami yung pwedeng, kung paano magiging malilesen yung traffic ng isang highway or isang lugar along the area. And sila din yung may kinalaman sa pag-study ng speed limit. Halimbawa, sa isang lugar, ganitong limit lang dapat yung takbo mo, ganito lang dapat yung takbo ng sasakyan kasi yung mga traffic engineers, sila yung bahala or sila yung bahala sa pag-aaral niyan. And then, the fourth one is they also study about the traffic volume study. So, ano nga ba yung traffic volume study? Yung traffic volume study, about siya sa kung ilang vehicle yung dumadaan along the highway. So, sila yung may kinalaman sa pag-study nun. Pinag-aaralan din ng mga traffic engineering yon. And then, they also study about the parking. Kung ano ba yung maganda at pinakamainam na parking style or design para sa mas efficient na traffic flow or para hindi magkaroon ng ganong aksidente. And they also study about the origin and destination studies. It is about kung saan nanggaling yung isang sasakyan at saan siya papunta. And then, they also study about the traffic flow characteristic studies. Etong traffic flow na to, ito yung about sa mga kung bakit, halimbawa, kung paano nagkakaroon ng kung bakit meron tayong mga nakikitang mga traffic lights, mga traffic signs, tapos yung mga gamit na nakikita natin sa mga, yung warning sign, yung mga ganyan, sila yung mga nag-aaral nun, yung traffic engineering, kaya meron tayong mga nakikitang ganun sa highway. And then, in addition to the enhancement of traffic flow, construction of roadways and installation of road signs and lights, traffic engineers also work hard to improve traffic calming in residential areas. So it means yung mga traffic engineering, hindi lang sila concerned about sa traffic flow ng isang roadway, kundi pati dun sa mga tao na nakatira doon. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng mga kapag nasa biyahe tayo or nakikita natin sa along the highway, may makikita doon, slow down, yung mga sign na slow down, this is school zone or church zone, yung mga ganyan. Kaya natin nakikita yun kasi ang mga traffic engineers, sila yung responsible sa mga bagay na yun. And yung mga sign din, basta madami tayong mga sign na nakikita along the highway na para sa safety, hindi lang ng mga sasakyan na dumadaan, kundi para din sa mga tao na nakatira malapit dun sa area na yon. So, the traffic engineering also study about the neighborhood traffic control. So, ayan na ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, sila din yung bahala na sa traffic control, kung paano ba mas malalasen yung pagkakaroon ng traffic. And then, they also responsible for neighborhood traffic mitigation. They are also responsible for neighborhood traffic safety plan. So, ayun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina na sila yung sila yung may sila yung dahilan kung bakit meron tayong mga nakikitang sign, hindi lang para sa mga motorcycles, sa mga cars, kundi para na din sa mga taong nakatira doon. And then they are also responsible for neighborhood traffic abatement. Etong traffic abatement na to, yung mga nakikita natin na yan, just like sa picture, yung ano na yan, nakikita natin yan kapag ka merong parang merong isang may ginagawa dun sa along the highway, nilalagay nila yan para makita ng mga motorcycle na merong gumagawa dun. So, and then, from, sabing ganon dito na, yung believe it or not, these are the efforts taken to ensure that residents are safe in their neighborhood, including children and the elderly. So, yung mga traffic engineering, malaki yung responsible na ginagawa nila dito sa atin kasi sila yung sila yung bahala sa safety hindi lang ng mga nasa along the highway na mga sasakyan na dumadaan kundi pati na rin yung mga tao or yung resident na nakatira doon mula sa mga bata hanggang sa pinakamatanda. And then from the safety of the roadway to the safety of the residential area, traffic engineering is the category of civil engineering that serves great purpose in Nashville, TN. So, nakikita niyo sa picture, ganyan yung traffic flow na makikita natin sa isang lugar na tinatawag na Nashville, na sobrang laki talaga ng may tutulong ng mga traffic engineering kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, baka maraming mga aksidente na nangyari sa atin at yung mga dapat tayong magpasalamat sa kanila kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala tayong mga road signs na nakakatulong sa bawat isa para magkaroon ng safety and makapunta tayo sa isang lugar ng efficient and safety. So, makikita nyo sa picture na yan na sabing ganun, kapag without traffic engineers, our roadways would be underdeveloped and unsafe while yielding high congestion accidents. So, kasi sabi ko lang din kanina na kapag walang traffic engineering, ganyan ngay mangyayari. Magkakaroon ng maraming aksidente, magkakaroon ng mga bagay na hindi, na imbis na safe yung mga tao, hindi sila magiging safe. So, isipin na lang natin na kapag walang traffic engineering is katulad ng isang government na walang pamahalaan or walang rules na sinusunod. So, magkakagulo, di ba? Magkakagulo yung buong bansa na yon. So, kapag wala tayong traffic engineering, ang mangyayari, magkakagulo din yung roadways at madadamay pa yung mga resident na nakatira doon. And then, our traffic engineers provide use with roadways and traffic signs that allows us to get from point A to point B with ease and safety. So yun nga, nabanggit ko na din kanina na yung traffic engineering, sila yung responsible kung bakit tayo nakakapunta sa isang lugar ng safe and with ease. 'Di ba? Dahil sa mga traffic lights, sa mga traffic signs, sa mga bagay na nasa roadway na nakakatulong para maging maayos at mas safety tayong dumaan, tumawid, or sumakay, ganyan. Sabi dito, so, ayun lang, for frequently asked questions, sabing ganun, Sir, what if we don't have transportation engineering? So, if that happened, we will be experiencing chaos on the roads, no orders and no roads, and roads will be prone to accidents. So, yun nga, paulit-ulit na nating sinasabi kanina na kapag walang traffic engineering or transportation engineering, hindi magiging maayos yung traffic flow natin at ganun din yung mga tao na nakatira doon malapit sa may roadway na yon. So, yun lang everyone. Thank you for listening and I hope you understand from our lesson. Kung may tanong kayo, feel free to ask us. So, our team is pinapangunahan ni Kuya Renz Pangilinan and Cedric James Senin, and at your service, Hannah Grace Dinyuda, and thank you for listening. That's all.